For those cases when your WordPress users forget their password, when some account has been stolen, if you want to reset all your passwords because new people are going to use the inactive accounts, etc., we're sure you want to do it quickly. However, it can be difficult to do if you have thousands of users. That's why we want to show you how easy and fast it is to reset the password of all your users using the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you easily manage your users by displaying them in an easy-to-use spreadsheet. You can quickly edit thousands of users in the spreadsheet or by using the bulk edit tool of the plugin. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You'll also find another link to visit our written tutorial. We're pretty sure that most people don't want to reset their users' passwords. That's why we want to show you how to filter users so that you reset passwords only for the users that want to. For this, you must first open the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll be able to filter your users by email, login, nice name, display name, role, by products bought, or even you can enable the advanced filters to have more search options. But in this case, we're looking for all the customers whose email domain is gmail.com. So we'll enter the email domain here. And select the role customer from here. Finally, run the search. After filtering the users, they'll be displayed in the spreadsheet, and you can proceed to change their passwords individually. For this, just go to the New Password column, and add the new passwords. Once you're done, remember to save the changes. A good way to reset your users' passwords is to import them from a CSV file. For example, you can create an Excel or Google Sheets document with all your users' emails in one column, and add another column with the new passwords. Once you have your Excel or Google Sheets document, you'll need to save it or download it to your computer. Once the file is ready, open the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to update existing items, and ignore new items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct user. In this case, we'll select the field email for both. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here, and your import process will start. In a few seconds, all new passwords will be imported, although they'll not be visible in the spreadsheet. Now let's see how to change the passwords for all the filtered users at once. For that, open the Bulk Edit tool. Select the fields to edit. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. Select the field New Password. Choose the Set Value option here. Now enter this placeholder for the plugin to set random letters as passwords. Finally, execute. After these simple steps, all passwords for the selected users will be reset. Definitely, the WordPress Users Spreadsheet simplifies your experience when managing thousands of user profiles. You can save a lot of hours and clicks. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.